Namaskar and welcome to my channel once again. We are in the second part of our second concept, isn't it? Concept 2 we were doing and we are in the second part of our concept 2. That means we have to use the table and we have to derive the values. So now we have taken another question. Let us see what is there. If tan a plus b is equal to root over 3 and a minus b, tan a minus b, it will be, sorry, tan a minus b is equal to 1 by root over 3, where a plus b is greater than 0 degree, less than equal to 90 degree, a is greater than b, find a and b. Okay, so this particular part you just try to avoid. Okay, this particular part you just try to avoid and see how we can utilize this particular part and this particular part. Okay, so tan a plus b is equal to root over 3. So tan a plus b is equal to root over 3. So what can we write? Tan a plus b is equal to what? Root over 3. You check in place of 10. Where is root over 3? Here. That means tan 60 is equal to root over 3. So write tan 60 degree. So tan will be removed. A plus b is equal to how much? 60 degree. This is one. Okay. Next, tan a minus b. Tan a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3. Okay. So what can we write? Tan a minus b is equal to what? 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3. See, it will be tan 30. Tan 30. Isn't it? So tan will be removed. A minus b is equal to 30 degree. Now compare between this and this. Mark it as equation 1 and mark it as equation 2. Okay, so 1 plus 2, what do we get? 1 plus 2, what do we get? 1 plus 2 we get how much? A plus b plus a minus b is equal to 60 degree plus 30 degree. So b will be cancelled. Twice a is equal to how much? 90 degree. So a is equal to how much? A is equal to 45 degree. If a is equal to 45, then what do we have? A minus b is equal to 30 degree. We can take either of the two, 1 or 2, whatever we take. Either we can take this particular equation or we can take this particular equation. So a minus b is equal to what? A we have already got 45, isn't it? So 45 minus b is equal to 30. So if we take this particular degree, this particular angle in that particular side, then what we will get? B minus b is equal to minus 15 degree, or b is equal to 15 degree. This is your required answer. So I hope you have understood. We are going to move on to the next particular question. Note it down. The next question that I have taken, let us see what is there. Here you have to show that this is equal to this. So what is this? Sec square 60 degree, cosec square 60 degree into sec square 30 degree, cos square 0 degree, into sin square 45 degree, into cot square 60 degree, into tan square 60 degree is equal to this. So what we will take? We will take this particular side first. That means cosec square 60 degree into sec square 30 degree into cos square cos 0 degree, sin 45 degree, cot square 60 degree, tan square 60 degree. Okay, and we will try to derive how much? We will try to derive 8 root 2 by 9. Now cosec square 60 degree is equal to what? Cosec square 60, cos 60 is equal to 2 root 3, isn't it? Square. Sec square 30, sec 30, sec square 30, 2 root 3, 2 by root 3 whole square into. So first we have taken cosec 60 is equal to 2 root 3, then sec 30 is equal to 2 root 3. That much, this much we have done, isn't it? Cos 0 degree is equal to how much? Cos 0 degree is equal to 1 into 1. Into sin 45 1 by root 2 into cot square 60. Cot square 60, that means 1 by root 3 whole square into tan square 60. Tan square 60, that means root 3 whole square. Okay, so let us find it out. 2 2s are 4, root 3 into root 3, 3 into 4 by 3 into 1 by root 2 into 1 by 3 into 3. So what it will be? 3 3 cancel. Then okay, so it will be 4 into 4 into 3 3s are 9 root 2. So I will multiply with root 2 into root 2. This particular root 2 I will try to remove from the denominator. 4 into 4 and 1 I have taken within them. Okay, so how much it will be? So it will be how much? 4 into 4 into root 2 by 9 to root 2 into root 2, 2. So it will be cancelled, and how much it will be? 4 2s are 8 root 2 by 9. Have we got the required value? Isn't it? Hence proved. Okay, see quickly, then we are going to move on to the next particular question. So the next question that we have is that determine the value of x such that 2 cosec square 30 degree plus x sin square 60 degree minus 3 by 4 tan square 30 degree is equal to 10. That means this time the value of left hand side is given in the right hand side is equal to 10, and you have to find out the value of x. Okay, so 2 cosec square 30, 2 cosec square 30, that means cosec 30 degree is equal to 2, that means 2 square, plus x we will leave it as it is, then sin square 60, sin square 60 is equal to how much? Root over 3 by 2 whole square minus 3 by 4 tan square 30, tan square 30 is equal to 1 by root 3 whole square is equal to 10. Okay, so it will be 8 plus 3 by 4x, 3x by 4 minus, it will be 3 into 1 by 3 by 4, so it will be cancelled, isn't it? Equal to 10. Okay, so 8 plus 3x by 4 minus 1 by 4 is equal to 10, or 3x by 4 is equal to 10 minus 8 plus 1 by 4, or 3x by 4 is equal to how much? 40 minus 32 plus 1 is equal to how much? 899 by 4. That means or 3x by 4 is equal to 9 by 4, or x is equal to how much? 9 by 4 into this 4 will be going up and this 3 will be coming down. So 4 cancel, 3. That means the required answer is 3. That means x is equal to how much? X is equal to 3. I hope you have understood to this much. Quickly note it down, then we are going to move on to the next particular question. So let us see another question based on this concept. So this time we have with us this particular question. Find sine 75 degree by using the formula. Okay, this formula is being given, isn't it? There is the formula that is being given. Let us see what is the formula says. Sine A plus B is equal to sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. Okay, find the value of sine 75 degree. That means you have to find out the value of sine 75 degree by the application of this particular formula. Let us see. Sine 75 degree is equal to sine 45 plus 30 degree. If I say, will it be incorrect? No, it will not be incorrect, because 45 plus 30 is equal to 75, and we are trying to convert it into this particular form. Okay, now see, sin 45 plus 30 is equal to, we will apply this formula. Okay, so it will be sin 45 degree cos 30 degree plus cos 45 degree, sin 30 degree. Isn't it? See carefully, this one is A and this one is B. If we take it to be as A and B, then sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. See. Okay, now sin 45 is equal to what? Sin 45 is equal to 1 by root 2 into cos 30 is equal to what? Cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2 plus cos 45 is equal to what? Cos 45 is equal to 1 by root 2. Then sin 30 is equal to what? Sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2. Always check once again. Sin 45. Sin 45 is equal to how much? 1 by root 2, correct? Cos 30 is equal to how much? Cos 30 is equal to 3 by root 3 by 2, correct? Plus cos 45 is equal to how much? Cos 45 is equal to 1 by root 2, correct? Then sin 30 is equal to how much? Sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2. Now let us solve this particular part. It will be in this particular form. Okay, root 3 2 root 2 plus 1 2 root 2. Okay, now the LCM will be how much? 2 root 2 and root 3 plus 1. Now if you want to convert this particular part in rational form, then what I will do? 2 root 2 into root 2. Here it will be root 3 plus 1 root 2. So it will be how much? It will be root 6 plus 1 and it will be how much? 2 2s are 4. So if you want to keep this in this manner, you can keep in this manner. That means here or this particular part also, if you do, then also it will be correct. See how much it is? Root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. What I have done? If I want to convert the denominator part into rational form, then I will do what? I will multiply root. If I multiply root 2 at the denominator, I will multiply in the numerator itself. I will multiply in the numerator itself. So what it will become? 2 root 2 into root 2 is equal to 4. Then root 2 into root 3 is equal to root 6. Root 2 into 1 is equal to root 2. Okay, so this will be your required value. I hope you have understood this much. So with this we have covered our concept 2 completely. Okay, so based on this particular question, if questions comes, then you will be able to do. I don't think you will find any kind of difficulty in solving questions related to this particular concept. Next we will be moving on to the next concept in my later video. Till then, stay home, stay safe, and always do your work regularly.